She sat the cake down. Gert, be nice to your sister. She's like a wrestling machine. Wrestle. Get her, Edith. Come on, Edith. Don't let her do that to you. I know you like it, but... Weirdos. He's just weirdos. He's just a weirdos. He's just a weirdos. And it's raining out. So we're playing inside. He's just a weirdos. He's just a weirdos. He's just a weirdos. Here we go. I'm gonna sit on her head. I'm gonna sit right on her head. Oh. I'm gonna sit on her head. I'm gonna sit on your head. Smack talking. Smack talking. Be nice. Be nice. Gertrude. Be nice. That's your sister. Gertrude. That's your sister. So be nice. Why don't you just sit on her head? It's so much funnier when you sit on her head. Tell her, Edith. Here she comes. I see it happening. He says, not today. Not today. You're not sitting on my head today. Gertrude says, yes, I am. I'm going to sit on your head. I'm going to sit on that damn head of yours. Edith says, no, I don't want you to sit on my head. Gertrude says, I'm sitting on that head. Edith says, no, you're not. No, you're not. I put my head up here. I'm hiding my head. No, you're not sitting on my head. You're not sitting on my head. I'm not having it. No way, no how, not sitting on my head. Well, then I'll stand on your head. I'll just stand there. There. I win.